Hello, people. This is take two. Take two, people. Elephant toothpaste. Ready? Go. It's coming. Oh, it went faster. Ooh, it's going fast.
I'm going to zoom in.
Yeah. Yeah. Take two complete.
Science experiment 2.
Take two of the science experiment.
Awesome.
Let me see if this one's hot. It's not really that cold, but
It's warm.
yeah, not really. It's like that warm, but not really cold type of thing. I'm gonna rub it on this tree. Where's the...
Not nickel.
I like this.
Do you think an elephant could really brush its teeth with that?
With the way hotter ones, no. Well, pretty much, yeah, because it's like the crust. It's hot, spicy. I wonder what that would taste like.
Yeek. Probably not good.
Do not try at home.
Exactly.
We are definitely trained professionals. The other one definitely wasn't my first time doing it. 100%.
Awesome.